Hi guys, Joseph here today. We're doing another Joseph car video, and today I'll be showing you how to jump start your Volvo V70 if you have a flat battery. It is different to other cars, the way you jump start it, because normally you jump start off the battery, because with this car, it's V70, the battery's in the boot, but with this V70 they've left jump start ports up the front. Also the same on your S60 as well. There'll be jump start ports. There's only a positive terminal. Whether you're negative, you just find the ground, which I'll help you with that, guys. You just plug your positive on a terminal, and on the negative you just use like a bolt and you just ground it off that. That's what I did. So let's get down to the car right now. Right guys, we're in the car and this is the sign of a flat battery. Let's see if you have a flat or not. That's a sign of a flat. If you turn it and you listen, I was going to put you out there so you can listen. That's a flat. That's a flat battery. So now we need to go and get jump start. So right, I'm going to pause and go and get my jump start, and I'm going to be back any second now. Right guys, to start, you pop the bonnet, pop it here, there's a lever right there, so you pop. And right, I'm going to open the bonnet, here we go. Once you've got the jump start pack on it, this thing should start. Let's get you started. So right, I know the battery's in the boot, but you can jump start it up front. So you've got a little cap here, guys. So you lift up, and that's where you stick your positive, and you just find somewhere over there for negative. I'm going to help you guys. So I'm going to pause here. Right guys, I've got my fast car battery charger. So you want to get your positive, and there's a terminal down here. So you want to plug that there, and then there's a ground, and I'll plug that there. Now I've got it all on there. Now you notice the light has come on here. So now, what you want to do is you want to set it so it's on start engine. So now, you've got to plug this in. So right, plug it in. I'm going to get it plugged in. Now it's running. It's dead, so because it's on start car, that means we can go and start our engine, which now it should start, which is our attempt here. So there we go, here we go. Now we can just take our leaves off here. Now you can unplug it, it's just undone the leaves. There we go guys, it's running now. Now guys, you should take it for a test drive now. So I'm going to pause there. We should take it, all you need to do guys, you just take it for a little like 15-minute drive to get that thing fully charged. So, there you go guys, I'm going to pause here. Then I'll be back. And right guys, just flip that down and we're going to be on a test drive any second now. Right guys, just before you go, just don't forget to close your bonnet. There you go. And I'm going to pause and definitely be on the test drive right now. Right guys, we're on the test drive, and I think this battery's getting pretty bad in this car. It keeps going flat recently, and we might soon need a new battery for this, because this keeps going flat. Yeah, so I'm going to pause until we're on the test drive. Right guys, we're out on the test drive now. Seems to be running alright. Yeah, seems to be alright. I'm definitely going to have to set that clock though, so it's reading dash past dash. But yeah, if you can't tell, I have put a new dash cam in this car. I've got a better dash cam, it's got a rear camera on it. Yeah, And I've hardwired my dash cam, and ever since I've hardwired it, I keep getting flat batteries, guys. So I had to change all the fuse. So yeah, it doesn't take long for this to go flat. You only have to have the doors open for like 20 minutes and this thing won't even start. Battery's quite weak in this. So soon we're gonna keep this battery until the end of this summer, and I'll put a new one in here. So I'm gonna pause until we get any more update. Right guys, we're gonna end off this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you didn't notice, I do have a sign called Joseph Cars, made by Dynamite Signs. So it says Volvo Specialist. So go subscribe to me on Instagram and Twitter. It's Joseph Cars. And subscribe to me on YouTube. And so right guys, we're going to go and end this video. So please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel so you don't miss any more content like this. And have a nice day.